Hey grade 2s! So today we're going to do some two-digit addition using some different strategies. So try to get a piece of paper and a writing tool ready, and I'm going to ask you to solve a math equation. So I'll give you the equation, you can pause and then press play when you're ready to see how I solved it. It might be different from your strategy, which is perfect, and then you can see if you got the same answer, which hopefully our answers will match. We should both get the correct answer. All right, so let's start with this question. The first question is 4 plus 6. So you can pause and then press play when you're ready to see the answer. So for 4 plus 6, I could draw a number line. I even know this one in my head because it's a friendly fact, but let's just do it for fun. We'll start with 4. If I add 6, I know I get 10. You could have done that in different ways. Maybe you wanted to add the 3 first to get 7 and then add another 3. However works for you to solve it. You should get the same answer as me, which is 10. Next, I'd like you to solve this equation, 40 plus 30. So for 40 plus 30, again, there are different strategies you could use. I know that 40 is the same as 4 tens. So if I add 1 10, then I'll have 50, and another 10, I'll have 60, and another 10 is 70. 40 plus 30 equals 70. I also know that 40 plus 30 is 70 because 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens, just like that. Now we're going to use 40 plus 30 in the next equation. I'd like you to solve this next one, which is 44 plus 36. So pause and try to figure that out. What I did for this one is I know that 40 is 40 plus 4. So I'm going to put my 4 over here, and I know that 30 in expanded notation is 30 plus 6. So I've got the tens, I've got the ones. So I've got 70. I even solved that up here. I know 10 plus 6 is 10. And I know that 70 plus 10 equals 80. So 44 plus 36 equals 80. For my next equation, I'd like you to solve 50 plus 30. The way I do that is I'd start with 50 because it's the greater number. I'm going to add the 30 all together. 5 tens plus 3 tens equals 80. And the next equation I'd like you to solve is 57 plus 33. There are different ways to solve this equation. The way I'm going to suggest that you could solve it is you could take 3 from the 33 and give it to the 57. So we've got 57 here, and I know 7 plus 3 is 10. So 57 plus 3 is going to take me to the next benchmark number, which is 60. And I still need to add the 30 from the 33. So 6 tens plus 3 tens equals 90. 57 plus 33 equals 90. In my next equation, I would like you to solve a doubles fact, 7 plus 7. What do you think that is? I know this one just from doubles, so I can figure it out in my head. I might write doubles to show how I thought about it. 7 plus 7 equals 14, just like that. And then next, I'd like you to solve the equation 37 plus 27. So for this one, I'm going to start just with 30. I'm going to take the tens from 37, and I'll add the tens from 27, which gives me 50. And then I know 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I can add 10 and 4 more. So I've got 50 plus 10 is 60, and 60 plus 4 is 64. 37 plus 27 equals 64. Okay, we have just 2 more facts to figure out now. We're going to solve 33 plus 27. So pause and figure that one out for yourself. There are many different ways to figure out these equations. What I'm going to do is take 3 from the 33 so that now I have 30, and I know if I add 3 to the 27, I'll have 30 because I'm taking it up to the next benchmark number. 7 plus 3 equals 10, so the next benchmark number instead of 20 is 30. So now I've got 30 plus 30. And I know what 30 plus 30 is. It's the same as 3 tens plus 3 tens, which is 6 tens. And now for my last equation, I'd like you to solve 62 plus 22. The way I do that is I'd start with the 62, and I'll add just the 20 part of 22 first. So I'll add 10, and then another 10. So 62, there's 6 tens in this number. So if I add one more 10, I'll have 72. And if I add another 10 to the tens place, I'll have 82. So I've added 20 so far. I still need to add the 2 from 22. So 82 plus 2 ones. So 2 ones plus 2 more ones is going to give me 4 ones. 62 plus 22 equals 84. And that's it for today. Thanks for solving those equations with me, grade 2. Bye!